Yeah, seningaloku manicedile ukuthwasa la senithatha imithi nifaka ngaphansi nokhohlisa abafana banikhohlisa bathi nezangoma nemnandi ningenza abantwana nibuyele esikolweni. Mina mawuphuma la kule mpandla alikho idlozi elizokutshela ukuthi isikolo asifuneki amanga. Idlozi ngeke livimbele impumelelo yakho efunayo. After intwaso there's still life. If you want to be an actor, pursue your career. If you want to be a DJ, do what you want to do. Don't do it for us. Don't do it for me. Mina, I ran my race. I'm still running my own race. If they wanna give me, it's not yours. I'm not those are fine. Jovan Kata, I'm in Bizarre. Nizela means I'm in Fagani, in the Puman Kelena Babas bed. Ni no kwenu kunanithatha la nibele esikoleni ningenza abantwana lindani umshado futhi kule mpande kuyashadwa ke la kule mpande mawuhlela ubekezela uwazi umthetho lishoba mangitshela ngalabo abahambile ngikhuluma laba abahleli kule mpande abadala ababekezela nabo mphopho madala abahleli la kulo mshado banamadoda abo how many years endoda yakho na 21 years endoda yakho sahleli la kulo mshado laba bathi ngibe ngimjolisa nginenzela inonsense bakhuluma into abangayazi nina ngiyantshela ukuthi manje have fun, enjoy your lives. If you feel ukuthi indumbi yakusinda phahla vala indumbi uhambe uyestradini uyangizwa phahla utshela abagogo ukuthi seseyingane usabanjwe istradi usabanjwe ubuhure uvala umnyango uhambe estradini uyangizwa angisho soqedile wena ukuthwasa lento abayifunayo ngawe uyenzile. It's your time to live what you want. But ukufeka ngipromote abaseduzane nami bayangazi ungabheki usikhothi nokumojela kwamadoda ayithu uzodideka ubheke lo sikhothi nophila naye lo hayi lo ku social media yangizwa ubheke lo phila naye la hayi lo ku social media ngithwasile ngicedile ningabiza ngoma ze fashion kuphela nilapha endumbeni angimthwasisi mina umuntu ongalaphi uyazazi lo wenzeni makafike ekhaya. Mina wonke umntwana ongena endumbeni uhlola iclient uhlola umhlahla ayinda akadlali laba bomadala bathwasa uma ubuyelile esikolweni manje lo hlelekeleni kwenu uthwasile ubuyelile esikolweni wathwasa amazi nawo meneza uthwasile but una 3 years manje athwasile ubuyelile esikolweni immediately ngiceda ngomphalazi ngathi khani school 2 ningaphiki nabantu abazothi idlozi lami lifuna ukufunde kusho idlozi lakho azami nomnotho lifuna ukuthi wahlala endumbeni kuphela wabhekela nenduba zoba iscam madala. You must have life besides indumba. There's life besides indumba. There's life besides umsamo. Idlozi ungalisayi uhloniphe walisabu uzenza amaphutha. It's not we are not meant to be afraid of our ancestors. We are meant to respect them. Ungabi nendumba uyabona indumba isihlini njani ayina inyoka ayinani nani manje umuntu mangena endumbeni they must feel free. Because it's a place of peace. It's a place of la azothulula khona imithwalo yakhe. Manje makangena kunenyoka uzosaba nokuphikisa mamtshela mama because usaba lenyoka. Angithi so uzobona kahle ukuthi angikwazi ukuphikisa uSkhotheni because uSkhotheni uzongitshela ukuthi lenyoka yakhe izongithusa. No, live your life baby girls. Nibahle nigeze nisusa lezinto ezibovu isikhathi sakhona siphelile. Ngeze nibangene isikhathi sethu.